politics be entered into that.
On the economic front, the White House touting the approval of more than 100,000 small business loans through the program that launched on Friday. But officials warn they may have to ask Congress for more money.
And Kirsten, an update now on a story that we've been following. 11 employees at the VA healthcare system right here in Southern Nevada have tested positive for COVID-19. In fact, it's a story that the I-Team broke last week. So now we're learning about how those employees may have even gotten the virus. The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy has our update.
A spokesman for the VA says so far no other employees have tested positive for COVID-19. The number of positive cases remains at 11. As we reported, 2 employees were hospitalized, 9 are receiving medical attention at home. The spokesman says several of the positive employees have jobs where they are not involved in direct patient care, and a preliminary investigation is connecting the positive cases to community spread, meaning employees caught it outside the facility or they were exposed to someone inside the facility who had the virus other than a patient. We have heard concerns from employees, though, so I asked Congresswoman Dina Titus, who is heavily involved in veterans issues, about this.
What would you say to people who do want to speak up, but they don't want to lose their jobs and they're concerned?
Well, I've always been a very strong supporter of whistleblowers and whistleblower protection. If you see something that's not right, it's an obligation to report it, and then you will be protected under the law. I would point out that $20 billion has gone to the VA to be sure that they are able to enforce provisions for people who are at the hospital and have the equipment they need. That was part of the last CARES package.
Changes have been made at the VA. There are virtual care options to cut down on patient visits to the VA. Some employees are working from home, and screening is being done at vehicle entrances of the medical center, along with temperature screenings at all sites of care. The spokesman says the screening is what helped identify the positive cases. We have more information at 8newsnow.com. Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.